Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming on to do a project with one of the products that was sent to me by Globleland, and I wanted to do a little project and review. Now I did die cut using this plate cover die, and I did it on two machines. I did it on my Gemini Junior machine, and it didn't cut very cleanly. So then I moved over to my Spellbinder's Platinum machine, and that cut much better. So I did cut it out, as you can see, and I'm gonna just do some ink blending on a cardstock that I will layer this on. I'll be using my Gina K inks. I'll be using Sea Glass, Turquoise Sea, Blue Lagoon, and Wild Lilac. I went ahead and cut down this white panel so it will fit behind our die cut piece, and this measures 3.5 by 4 3/8. So it's not a full size for an A2 card, but I'm gonna make it work. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and link Globleland in the description box below, as well as the link to this die that I'm using today. And Globleland has been generous enough to give me a discount code. So the discount code is on screen now. And if you use that discount code and the links provided in the description box, you will get 10% off of your order. So I'm going in on each corner with a little bit of Sea Glass, and then I'll follow up with some Turquoise Sea. Then I'm going to go in with some Wild Lilac. Then I'm going to finish off with Blue Lagoon down the center of the panel. Now I am going to place the die cut panel over that ink blended panel. Alright, then I'm going to place this on this teal cardstock I have. But first I'm going to cut this down to 4 by 5 1/4. So as you can see, this gives me a nice little white border around this aqua teal panel. And then I am going to attach this towards the top of that panel. And then I've decided I'm going to put a sentiment towards the bottom. So I am using this Gina K Shimmering Snowflake stamp set, and I'm just using the Merry Christmas sentiment. I've already got it placed in my Mini Misty, and I'm going to stamp it using the Wild Lilac. I'm going to bring in this Marshmallow Pearl mix by Scrappiness, and I'm just using one of these triangle embellishment trays by Scrappiness to hold my little embellishments so they don't fly all over the place. There is my finished card using this beautiful die from Globleland. Make sure to check the description box below for links to the products I've used today, as well as for your coupon code for 10% off on Globleland. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye!